So we have an extra protection. So let me just put this there. Yeah, let me just take those ones away. We don't need it. And sorry, just pass me the. Oh, you're putting money on the floor.
Yeah.
Just leave it there. Just leave it there. I need the key.
الو والله رن عمك خلي رنني والله مشغول ذاك جوا
Okay, who's the other one? I'm gonna pass it on to me again. Just put it on the side. Okay. 1 second. Let me see. Sorry, get out of it. Okay, just take the leg off. Slow. No. Yeah, I'm sorry. You're gonna.
Two-legged piano.
Yes, and now I'm gonna lay it down. It's just over there. Just a little bit. Wait, just put it on again. Relax. Okay, go up again. Okay. So they just counterbalance. 1 second. Perfect. Well, we do it together. In the middle. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Wait, just over there. Okay, no, not too much.
No?
You gotta.
Okay.
I mean, if you want to talk on the phone, just go outside. Because you can go outside, don't worry.
Hello. Hello. Sorry. Hello.
Very easy. You know how. I use my shoulder. A little bit here.
This is why we hire professionals.
Because I like my work. You see, I enjoy it. If you enjoy what you do, things that are easier in your life.
And you do a better job.
Yeah. I like this system. It's Everything's supposed to go in the same way. So this is number one. We just mark number one. Open one blanket here. We're gonna wrap everything separate. Now one. Just give me one screwdriver, like, is it, well, just bring the bag, I'll see. It's a Phillips, actually. Now you can take those screws out. Phillips. You found it. There you go. That's number two. Just got two marks there, but two. Yeah, there you go, number two. No, number three, sorry. It's number three. So there. Those we're gonna wrap it together too. And those little screws, we're gonna put it back, okay?
Yeah.
So everything goes back. Okay, put that back. Okie, very good.
Wow, disassembled, less than 10 minutes.
That's amazing.
It is amazing. It's, well, the experts, they know what they're doing.
So you put the screws, everything
Yeah.
good? Okay, bring the other leg. He's over there.
Everything's being wrapped up very carefully
Yes,
to be
ma'am.
protected. And it'll be put in storage for a few months.
Yes, ma'am. That's it. Nice cushion there.
Maybe we could do this also.
No, so those will wrap separate, so two. Let me see. Yeah, those ones you can put in this nice pocket.
think the guys have done it before. What do you think?
Yes, they should know.
They should
Otherwise
know.
we'll be moving pianos.
They look like they know what they're doing.
Pianos are
Pretty efficient.
A little tricky. Okay, let me just hold the plastic here.
Well, there we go. I think that's a pretty good video. So stay tuned for more.
Yeah.